We are One Step Asia Tours. Welcome to our channel. In this video you will find out about 15 tourist destinations in India. But before start guys, if you are new on our channel, so please subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon and never miss any update. So let's start guys. India is one of those destinations that ends up on every traveler's bucket list. India is world's 7th largest nation by area and 2nd largest in terms of population. India is also known as the land of festival, has all-season holiday destinations. These places in India are known for their magnificence and overall beauty. They are also considered havens for all kind of travelers. Friends, here are name of the 15 destinations. If there was just one symbol to represent all of India, it would be the Taj Mahal. The monument inspires millions of tourists to make the trip to Agra every year. Taj Mahal, also known as symbol of love, and it's one of India's most famous attraction. The capital city makes for one of the perfect travel destinations in India. Delhi has something for everyone. So whether you are looking for a heritage walk or a shopping experience, or for kids-friendly activity or places for photography, or even seek the blessing of God, exploration of India remains incomplete without a trip to the holy city Varanasi. It's also known as the city of moksha, salvation. The place holds a great religious significance for Hindu. It's one of the oldest continually inhabited cities in the world. Varanasi is arguably the holiest place in India. The spiritual activities take place along the sacred Ganga River, where pilgrims bathe and mourners cremate recently deceased relatives in plain view of passers-by. Goa has one of the nightlife in India with trendy bars, beach shacks, elegant cafes and many clubs and discotheques. Goa is where all the fun is in India. Although the beaches of Goa are the primary tourism attractions, there are many surprises waiting to be unraveled. For those looking for a luxury stay, South Goa has many options. Rajasthan, also known as the land of the golden sand. It's also known for its rich cultural heritage and tales of brave Rajput rulers. This popular tourist destination is flanked by the expansive Thar Desert, where you can enjoy cultural music, campfires under open starlit sky, camel rides and also enjoy exquisite jewelry and handicrafts. Ladakh is a rustic and heavenly beautiful travel destination. The spectacular landscapes, the chilling snow blankets and metaphorically a paradise land have so much to content every mind. Here you can witness some of the world's highest mountain passes. This destination in India is perfect for motorbiking and mountain biking, camping, river rafting, trekking and peak climbing adventures. Ajanta and Ellora Caves, both UNESCO World Heritage Sites, are among the largest rock-cut monastery, temple cave complexes in the world. The caves feature intricate carvings from at least 1,500 years ago. The Ajanta caves are the oldest of the tour attractions, featuring around 30 Buddhist cave monuments cut into the rock as far back as the 2nd century BC. Meanwhile, the 34 Hindu, Jain and Buddhist caves at Ellora date from the 6th century AD. Amritsar, is also known as Jewel of Punjab, has made its claim to fame with its remarkable Golden Temple. It's one of the holiest places in the world for Sikhs. The structure is a sight to behold, glistening in the sun and reflecting into the large pool that surrounds it. The attraction also boasts the world's largest community kitchen, which serves 1 lakh diners, including curious tourists, lentils and curries every day. Kerala is one of the most picturesque places in India with a footfall of thousands of tourists every year. Kerala is must-visit destination for every traveler. It's tucked between Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats and is blessed with immense natural beauty. Nothing beats the experience of hopping aboard a traditional thatched top houseboat. It's add another memorable experience in your trip to Kerala. Kerala has a lot to offer. Darjeeling stands at the height of 2050 meters above the sea level. Darjeeling will leave a traveler mesmerized and awed with the beauty that the place offers. The hill station in West Bengal is beloved for its lush green tea plantations, awe-inspiring snow-capped peaks and serene Buddhist monasteries. The scenic beauty of Rishikesh is due to its location at foothills of the lofty Garhwal Himalayas is accentuated by the mighty river Ganga cutting right through the city. Here you can also enjoy amazing experiences like cliff jumping, kayaking, body surfing, etc. Mumbai, home to ultra-wealthy entrepreneurs and the hottest Bollywood actors. Tourists are never far from five-star hotels or gourmet restaurants in this luxe city. But remember, an estimated 20 million people call this bustling metropolis home, giving India's largest city a distinctively chaotic, energized feel. Most tourists visit Mysore to see its World Heritage listed palace. This attraction takes Indian grandeur to the next level, with endless mirrored decor, stained glass windows, carved wooden doors, and intricate mosaic floors that look like the inside of a kaleidoscope. The palace is considered to be one of the country's finest examples of Indo-Saracenic design. Be sure to swing by to see the palace at night, when it's lit up with thousands of twinkle lights. Kashmir is one of the most incredible places in India. Kashmir is known for its natural beauty and is thus rightly called heaven on earth. The beautiful Kashmir Valley is home to many destinations ideal for nature lovers, family vacationers, honeymooners, and even a group of friends. With its picturesque lakes, lush fruit orchards, verdant meadows, pines and devdars forests, all enclosed with mountains of Himalayas range. Jim Corbett National Park is the oldest and largest national park in India. It was established in 1936 as Haley National Park to protect the endangered Bengal tiger. If you're an adventure freak, bird watcher, angler, or animal lover, the Jim Corbett National Park is the ideal place for you. So friends, how was the video? Please let us know by your comments. Also don't forget to press the like button, because your likes and comments keep us encouraged and motivate.